Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, Calendly makes scheduling meetings fast and easy. So, if you want visitors to actually book calls directly from your Squarespace site, this video will show you how to connect Squarespace to Calendly in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first then we're gonna go open the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. You're gonna go all the way and look for it here, hit enter, then we're gonna wait. Free online appointment scheduling software, tap on this website. Then go all the way to sign in to your account or just log in, depends on you. You can even get started by creating a new account. So it's time now to create an event type, set up your availability and meeting rules, then copy the Calendly embed code by opening your event and select embed. As for now, we're gonna go all the way back to look for Squarespace, then tap on the login, use your email address and password. So the dashboard first gonna look like this home, get started and all of this. We're gonna go all the way to insert a code block by going to edit pages here on the editor. Then go, for example, to home, tap on edit here. Then it will open this editor where you can just add a block, go all the way, look for code. Then you can basically pick the code or the type of code, this place of code if you want to. It's all depends on you. Then paste your code here. You can even select the embed code type by going through this. Then you can paste the link or code snippet, it depends on you. So basically custom featured image, you can even add description, whatever you really like. All you're gonna do now is save then publish. Then test your scheduling by scheduling a test meeting to verify everything is working properly. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.